Let me show you how to set up and use Live Translate on any Google Pixel phone. First, let's go in the settings, then click your system settings, Live Translate, and you can enable or disable it over here. Then also we have to select the language which we want to translate to, and also we have to download language packs which we want to translate from. So by default we do not have anything here. We are going to click Add Language and simply find the language you want to translate from. So also, but you see, but for some language we actually have quite limited support. But for example, some larger languages, so for example, okay, like Chinese, essentially we literally have full support essentially. And again, for most bigger language we have. So again, simply make sure to download the language first. And then to use it, it's actually very simple. So let me send myself a message. And this works in pretty much any app. So you see, I have received message in different language. If I open, I'll see this pop up translate to English. So yep, let's select this. So we see, yep. So we can click over here to automatically translate whatever I want. Okay. Then also over here, if I click, I can also change the language. So you see, like toggle between the original and also the English. Also, if at any time you want to change the language you are translating from, you can simply go over here and simply select the different language. So again, if it doesn't recognize, or you simply have maybe like a chat where you have multiple language that you want to translate. Also, if I basically like go over here and type reply, it will even like offer you this choice to also like translate your replies as well to that other language. So even if you do not know that other language, you can kind of like write, for example, the message in English, and basically once it gets sent over to the recipient, essentially it will automatically get translated to the Spanish, and yeah, basically he will see the message in his original language. So again, very easy. So again, this works in pretty much any messengers, yeah, so wherever you can imagine. So you'll see it pop up basically, and again, you don't really have to do anything, it should automatically recognize it for you. Good luck.